Welcome to this video on liver cleansing and detoxifying through natural juices. Your liver plays a crucial role in removing toxins from your body and maintaining your overall health. In this video, we will learn about the benefits of a clean liver and the top 5 juices that can help detoxify it. Let's get started. Why is a clean liver important? The liver is essential for our health as it is responsible for flushing out toxins from our body, which can be caused by an unhealthy diet, taking certain medications, drugs, or alcohol. Moreover, it also helps in the production of proteins and cholesterol, so it is important to keep it functioning properly. If we do not take care of our liver, there are various consequences that we could face, the most typical being fatty liver, inflammation of the liver cirrhosis, and hepatic congestion. These issues are caused by eating too much and by substances like alcohol. So eating a healthy diet and drinking special juices to detoxify the liver will help ensure its health. You can drink them on an empty stomach for a week or just when you know you have eaten too much. On top of that, it is a good idea to include certain foods in your diet to cleanse your liver and to increase the effectiveness of the juices. Now, let's take a look at the liver cleansing juices. 1. Beetroot and lemon juice. Beetroot and lemon juice are 2 home remedies that can be used to cleanse the liver. Combining these 2 ingredients creates a drink that can help to naturally detoxify the liver. Beetroot contains betalains, which are the agents that give it its color, and these compounds can help remove toxins from the body and protect against liver cancer. Lemon, meanwhile, is beneficial for cleansing the liver and colon. Ingredients: 1 large beetroot, 2 small lemons. How to prepare: wash, peel, and chop the beetroot. Squeeze the juice from the lemons. Add the lemon juice to the blender along with the beets. Add a little water and process until all the ingredients are integrated. Drink the freshly made juice. 2. Grapefruit, lemon, and orange juice. Citrus fruits contain antioxidants and pectin, making them ideal for flushing out fats and toxins from the body. They purify the liver and colon while also boosting the immune system and overall health. Combining grapefruit, lemon, and orange is a great way to detoxify the liver and enhance its performance. Ingredients: 2 peeled and seedless grapefruits, 2 lemons peeled and seeded, 1 orange peeled and seeded, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Preparation method: add all the ingredients to the blender or food processor. Mix, and if necessary, add half glass of water so that it is not so thick. Drink freshly prepared, preferably on an empty stomach to take better advantage of its properties. 3. Orange and ginger juice. If you are looking for an alternative to cleansing your liver, grapefruits may not be the easiest fruit to get, as oranges are more commonly found and available all year. A good option then is to make a juice from oranges, ginger, and olive oil, which will help detoxify the liver. The combination of orange and ginger also has the added benefit of helping to improve digestive issues, reduce inflammation, and even prevent certain types of cancer. Ingredients: 1 cup of natural and freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Steps to prepare: mix all the ingredients in the blender or food processor. Drink the freshly prepared juice. You can take it before bed for 3 nights in a row. In case of deeper cleanings, you can take it for 7 nights in a row. 4. Apple juice to cleanse the liver. If you are trying to find ways to cleanse or detoxify your liver, it is essential to add apples to your eating habits. It is one of the most effective fruits for maintaining liver health. Apples are filled with antioxidants and have a large amount of malic acid, which is ideal for avoiding the development of gallstones in the liver and kidneys. Furthermore, apples also contain pectin, which helps to rid the body of all heavy metals. Ingredients: 3 green apples, half lemon, 2 glasses of water, sweetener. Preparation method: wash the apples and peel them with a knife. Cut the apple into pieces and add them to the blender. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice and the glasses of water. Process all the ingredients until they are integrated. Take this apple juice on an empty stomach for 7 consecutive days. 5. Carrot juice to purify the liver. Carrot juice is one of the top choices for liver cleansing, as it is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that improve the functioning of the liver and kidneys. Furthermore, its detoxifying properties can help remove harmful substances from the bloodstream and stop the buildup of toxins. Ingredients: 6 carrots, half lemon, 1 small tablespoon of ginger, 1 small tablespoon of honey. How to prepare? Peel the carrots and process them in the blender to obtain their juice. Squeeze the lemon and add its juice to the carrot juice. Add the ginger and honey and stir so that everything is fully integrated. Drink on an empty stomach for about 7 days straight to get a good liver cleanse. We hope this video was helpful in showing you how to detoxify your liver naturally. Remember, taking care of our liver is crucial for our overall health. Don't forget to try these juices and include them in your diet for best results. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.